Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the difference between cryptocurrency and the regular currency. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. Let's dive in. So regular currency is exactly that currency that we use daily for paying our bills. It has three main points. That first is it's different for a different country. Then it's controlled by the government, and its valuation actually depends on a number of factors, including the gold reserves, inflation, etc. So, regular currencies have to be printed by the printing presses of the countries. These have an exchange rate through which we can purchase currencies of other countries, and these are more secure because of the complex banking network that we have. Okay, so now let's take a look at what is cryptocurrency. Now, unlike the regular currency, the cryptocurrency is not a physical currency. Yes, that's right. Those coins that you see when they talk in the news about bitcoins, those are not real. So, what is cryptocurrency? Now, imagine that the government did not have to print any of that currency and you only made payments using UPI or net banking. Now, you're not seeing any physical cash, but the money is there in your bank account. Cryptocurrency is similar to the regular currency in this respect. The difference, however, is in how the value of the cryptocurrency is decided, who decides the value, and who owns the cryptocurrency. Now, as we have seen, the regular currencies are owned by the respective governments. Cryptocurrencies are owned by people. Now, to understand this, we'll have to see how cryptocurrencies work. So, why the name cryptocurrency? Because this digital asset uses cryptographic techniques like encryption using a private key to make it more secure. This makes it impossible for people to make illegal copies of the currency. So, cryptocurrency is basically a digital asset. Unlike the regular currency, which sits in your bank, cryptocurrency sits in a network which is distributed across a large number of computers. For example, when you withdraw cash from a bank, that cash sits in your wallet. And when you buy cryptocurrency, it sits in your cryptocurrency account and not in the bank. A bank typically has nothing to do with cryptocurrencies. You buy cryptocurrencies from the crypto exchange, pretty much like how you buy stocks from the stock exchange. Now, talking about the value of the cryptocurrency, the financial value of the cryptocurrency depends on the supply and demand, which is very similar to the value of a stock. And this nature of cryptocurrency, which is very similar to that of a stock market, has induced so much volatility in the cryptocurrency system that as of now, it's only good for trading. So, although cryptocurrencies have advantages like ease of transfer with minimal transaction charge since banks are not involved, then immunity from inflation, easily accessible from any other country because it sits in a distributed network, so it can actually exist outside of the jurisdiction of the country or authorities. And since it uses private key encryption techniques, able to make duplicate copies, cryptocurrencies also do have a lot of disadvantages. So the high volatility in the cryptocurrency system means that there is a high risk of losing more money when you convert from one cryptocurrency to another, or when you're converting from cryptocurrency to your regular currency. So the second disadvantage is that cryptocurrencies can be used for illegal activities like tax evasion or money laundering, since these are not monitored by the authorities. The financial value of the cryptocurrency can also be easily manipulated by controlling the supply of the currency. So, is the cryptocurrency worth investing in? Not at all, because of the high volatility of the cryptocurrency system. At this point, cryptocurrency can be a candidate for trading, but the risk actually increases due to high volatility. So, guys, that was the difference between cryptocurrency and the regular currency. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thank you.